and welcome to this video where we'll be discussing the pros and cons of laptops versus desktop computers. As you know, technology has come a long way in the past few years, and we are now presented with more options than ever before. The question is though, which one is better suited for your needs? My name is Commander Prime and I'm here to help you find out. Something else I'm going to help you find out is how good my Ko-Fi page is. Are you interested in making 3D animations and still images in Blender and Unreal Engine like me, but don't have the time or money to find assets and textures for your own needs? My Ko-Fi page has a bunch of custom textured Battlefront 2 models such as Phase 1 and Phase 2 clone troopers, as well as Captain Vaughn and Commander Cody, with more on the way as I speak. Use code CommanderPrime10 for 10% off everything for the next month. Check it out through the link in the video description. Let's start with laptops. They are undoubtedly the most portable and versatile computing options available, with the exception of mobile phones and tablets. Laptops are increasingly popular amongst students and people on the go because they are lightweight, easy to carry around and can be used just about anywhere. Plus, they have a built-in battery that can keep them running even when you don't have access to an electrical outlet. Laptops also come with a built-in monitor, keyboard and trackpad, making them a complete package right out of the box. You can use them for gaming, streaming, productivity or even creative work. However, laptops do have some downsides. For example, they're often more expensive than desktop computers with similar specs, and they're not always upgradable. This means you're stuck with the hardware that you have and you can't change it in the future. Other disadvantages to laptops are that they can get hot quite quickly, especially when performing intensive tasks like gaming or video editing. This can cause the hardware to downgrade faster, which can lead to performance issues down the line. Additionally, the smaller size of laptops can lead to cramped and uncomfortable typing patterns, which can lead to fatigue and other health problems. Now let's move on to desktop computers. Desktops have been around for much longer than laptops and have traditionally been the go-to option for gamers and power users. Desktops have the reputation for being incredibly powerful, customizable and upgradable. They have much larger screens, more powerful components and generally offer better performance than laptops. Additionally, desktops are typically less expensive than laptops with similar specs, and you have the option to upgrade and replace components easily. This means that you can keep your computer up to date and running smoothly for years to come. Furthermore, desktops are quite easy to repair, and you get help from professionals if something goes wrong. On the downside, desktops are not portable and require a dedicated workspace to set up. They are also not the best option for people who need to work on the go or in public places. Additionally, desktops require a power outlet and don't have a built-in battery. Now this can be a disadvantage during power outages or when travelling. Another issue with desktops is they are often louder than laptops due to the use of larger fans and other cooling systems. The size of desktops can also make them more challenging to store or move around. So, which one is better, a laptop or a desktop computer? The answer depends on your needs and your lifestyle. If you're a student or someone who needs work on the go, a desktop is the better option. They are lightweight, easy to carry and come with a built-in battery. On the other hand, if you're a gamer or a power user who needs a computer with the most powerful components available, then a desktop is the better choice. They offer more flexibility, customizability and better performance. Ultimately, the decision between a laptop and a desktop comes down to your own personal preferences, budget and intention of use. I hope this video helped you make a more informed decision about what type of computer is right for you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!